Hello guys, this is WunderTrading, and today we'll start our first video from the series which will carry on each Monday of Bitcoin analysis. Today is the 3rd of June, and in front of you you can see the Bitcoin USD chart from Coinbase, and this is the monthly chart. So the previous month, as you can see, was very good in terms of the potential profits that you can gain from trading, and it broke all the imaginable resistance level and finished around 9,000, 9,100 depending on the exchange. So we'll go now to the daily chart, where weekly chart, sorry. We'll go to the weekly chart where we can see that the previous week closed in as a doji candlestick, and this is the potential candle which signals that there should be some reversal or at least correction to the previous upward trend. The daily, this is where our analysis will happen. You can clearly see that on the daily chart there is a divergence between the price and the volume, which is very important indicator as well of the price reversal. And we can also add the profile volume, where we can see that there are at least 4 major levels where the trading was happening. So the first one is around 8,000. The next one is 6,400, around 5, that's what's happening next, and 4,000. This is where we broke this bottom, which was 2 months before us. So we'll put that as a resistance and support line. And what I also wanted to show you today is that for our trading, we're using the trading chaos as a trading system. So this is a trading system provided by Bill Williams. So we'll use all the components of this, like fractal, alligator, and the awesome oscillator, which is appearing here at the bottom. And we also can see the same divergence between the indicator and the price as well, which is also very important. Go into the 4 hours, we can see that we actually just finished the 5 waves which were going up. So the Elliott waves, which were starting from here and then finished at the top almost around 9,000. After this upward move, there is all the time the correction. The correction should be in the ABC pattern, so something like that. But if we can be more precise, we'll figure out what are the potential levels where the price should go and what it should do next. So the A wave will also have 5 subwaves underneath it. So if we're talking about the potential 5 waves going down, this was the very first one, which happened on last week. This is the correction now, and this is the start, the potential start of wave 3, 4, and 5. To make it more precise, we'll draw the Fibonacci retracement level as well, which is starting from the very beginning of that move in the beginning of May. And we can see that it's actually very accurate in terms of the 50% Fibonacci retracement and one of the levels of support which we drew from the volume profile, which is also quite important. So our view in terms of the next movement of Bitcoin is it's going to be a correction zigzag, ABC. It will probably go up to the point of 0.38 of Fibonacci as wave A, so something like that. And then it should go up, and you can also see that 0.2 and the potential resistance and support level is also meeting quite nicely. So we can assume that this will be an upward move up to another 8,790, somewhere around that area, and then the final bit where we're going towards 6,500. And this would be a very suitable correction to carry on the further growth of Bitcoin. So if I would just roughly draw it with the arrows, this will look something like that. I'll just move number 4 and 5. So something like that. Then gonna go up, and then again 5 waves down. So something like that. And in terms of the time, it will be roughly within a month scale. So this is our 1st of July, and this is the 1st of June. So within that time frame, I believe within 1 month time frame, we can see some kind of the correction which would happen. The other alternative, of course, if we just go into the flat, where the price will be bouncing between around 7,000 and 8,000 for the next month as well. This is also possible because based on the volume profile, there is a certain support to the price at the area of 7,900. So we can be just in the flat area in between those price levels. So this scenario that the Bitcoin will carry on increasing at this particular moment is the least likely, just because the price increased a lot in the past month, and for many indicators, which are including relative strength indicator, it was already overbought a couple of days ago, which means that there should be some correction, and it can be either horizontal, like this horizontal channel, or it's going to be a downward movement like we drew based on the Elliott waves and the correction pattern of A, B, and C. At this stage, this is so far the most that we can predict. We'll see how the price will actually move. Never forget, it's a dynamic model, so any day can actually change the analysis straight away, but we'll keep you updated every Monday. Thank you.